Hi, I'm Stephen Webster. I'd like to welcome you to 72A Trink Street in Cloverdale, where you get your own private paradise family home that's been cleverly designed to use every square centimetre of this huge rear block, from this beautiful family pool area, outdoor alfresco area, and we've got grass for the kids and the dogs as well. So grab your chance to secure this resort-style family home. So come on in and enjoy the tour. Hi, welcome back. Hope you enjoyed your tour of 72A Trink Street in Cloverdale. As you can see, you don't have to find that elusive block or wait 12 months to build a dream home because you've found it right here. For more details about property, please call my mobile. And as you know, the next viewing time is on the Burke's website.